Alright folks, I just took the box off. This is the cover that it come on, the Rodecaster Pro 2. Pretty excited to get this. I'm going to start doing some a lot of great things, with my podcast, and I have thousands of people that follow me on a few different social media, so it's going to be fun doing podcasts and inviting people onto my shows and things that we're going to be doing. Very excited about this, to have the Rodecaster Pro 2. Looking at some of the reviews and videos on the record button, it looked like it was smaller than it is, but it's actually very nice. And these buttons are really big. All the knobs look good. Now I'm a total newbie, so we're going to see how this goes. I've never done podcasting before. I've done tons of research over the past months. Maybe even the past year. So I already opened one box. The first box that we had this cable right here. So that's the only thing I took out. USB cable, okay? Sticking that off to the side. Here's the unit. Everything looks nice. I'm going to have to learn this unit, but I just wanted to show you guys the unboxing of the Rodecaster Pro 2. Okay? Pretty excited about this. And then down below here, looks like we got the adapters and another charger, and that looks like that's it. So there we have the Rodecaster Pro 2. I'm pretty excited to learn this unit, and as I go along, and hopefully we can get some great podcasting segments out there, and get a show going and put this thing to use. So stay tuned, folks. There we have it. It's the Rodecaster Pro 2. I'll set that back down there one more time for y'all. All right. People are going to be wondering, how are you going to have time to do all this too? Well, you know me. I make time for everything. It looks very well done. Nice knobs. Everything is so accessible to great big buttons. I didn't realize how big these buttons were, so you can't miss those. Great big. They slide up and down smoothly. The knobs too. I guess those that had these in the previous version said the record was smaller. This is smaller, but to me, this is my first unit. Looks pretty dang big to me, so I'm excited. Stay tuned, and we'll see how this thing works out here. Thanks, guys. Stay tuned for lots of live and funny things as we talk about all types of stuff.